This is the first remodel or first construction project we've done in this house. And this is the first house we've ever owned. So we really had no clue which contractors were even in the area, who we wanted to talk to. I just went online and researched reputable construction companies, as well as, singular contractors. We got a handful of people into the house to see the bathroom and to tell us kind of what their vision would be or what they think would make the bathroom better. We just kind of clicked with Golden View right away. One of, I think, the biggest things that tipped us over the edge on going with Golden View was the communication style. We had a lot of strong communication, which is something that I am a big fan of. Another reason why we decided to go with Golden View was because of how hands-on they were going to be in the design phase. How to utilize the space and how to make this space as big as possible was one of the items on our list, just because the bathroom isn't that big. So we wanted to make sure that it was aesthetically pleasing, it flowed well. Every person who worked in our house was very friendly. They were all super sweet with my dog, which was nice. Once everything was done, it gave us some time using the bathroom to figure out, what our final checklist of the tiny little details are. And I'm pretty into the details, so I've given Mike a list of all the kind of little things here and there that we wanted to kind of tweak to just make sure it was totally perfect. I actually referred a friend already to Golden View, so I would obviously go with Golden View again down the line if we need to do another bathroom remodel or any other kind of projects we have coming up.